to my channel. Today we're going to make carrot halwa. I have here 2 cups of shredded carrot. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. Cook it on medium heat until the milk evaporates completely and the carrots are all nicely cooked. To this we're going to add half a cup of sugar. Milk has almost dried up. Now let's go ahead and add half a cup of milk powder. Go ahead and add some clarified butter. I'm using here 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now let's go ahead and add some blanched almonds and cashews and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's switch off the gas and let's serve it. If you like this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.